darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you guys are so very welcome indeed. Are we loving the look? Are we loving the hair? Are we loving the fit? This, my darling, is a fabulous, beautiful, gorgeous kaftan by none other Ivy Ekong Fashion. I live for this. I have two of them, as a matter of fact. And when I tell you, OMG, they're perfect for being at home. When you're entertaining guests, let me get up. Just look. Entertaining guests. You're going out for dinner. You're by the beach. This is fabulous. It gives me that Hermes scarf vibe. And you know that I live for scarves and kaftans. And you can wear these a multitude of ways. So I decided to have the one shoulder. Really glam it up, honey. Yes, ma'am. And of course, it's all about Barbie. Barbie, Barbie, Barbie. So COLOURPOP had sent me Barbie Malibu. Yep. About a year ago, and I hadn't used it, and I thought to myself, for me, this is kind of apropos. So when you're asking about the makeup, it is Barbie by COLOURPOP, and they had lashes as well. Yup. They had lipsticks as well. They had highlighters. I used the whole shebang because it's all about Barbie. Who doesn't love Barbie? I was lucky. My dad got me a black Barbie doll. I think he traveled on a business trip or something, and he was able to get my sister and I black Barbie dolls, and I lived for it. So I know you must be saying, Fumi, who do you think you are? When I tell you, it's bringing out my inner dynasty. It's bringing out, oh my God, Diana Ross, Donna Summer, the 3 Degrees. Do you remember them? Tina Turner back in the day. All of those women that I lived and I loved for, and they were so glamorous. And I think it kicked off with my mom. My mom was the most glamorous, most fabulous, most sexy woman on heels that I had ever seen in my waking life when I was a good stretch from 8 years old to about 18. She was my icon. That was where I got the glam from. It really was from her. And I wish that I could get all of those pictures, those archives. Maybe I will, and put them together so you can see what she looked like back in the day. I got my dad's height, but I have my mother's complexion. Actually, I'm a good mix. I think so. So I know you must be saying to yourself, for me, the hair. We are living for the hair. I reviewed the Met Gala 2023 red carpet, and here come KEKE PALMER, looking fabulous. I lived for the hair. I didn't know what it was, and you guys told me, Fumi, that's the Letitia wig. I said, say what? Why have I not ever heard of it? And so I ordered it right away. And as I was scrolling down the comments, somebody also said, for me, there's the Letitia wig. If you like the Letitia wig, you might like the Julianne wig as well. And I said, okay. So I ordered the 2 of them on Amazon. They are also on my Amazon store front. So for those of you that are in the UK or in Europe, you can get it from there, because it took a minute for me to search and see how I could get the Letitia wig. And everything was popping up from the United States. And when I tell you the shipping cost were about £89, and I said, I gotta do something. There has to be a solution. So finally I got it. Where is it? Where is it? Yes, because it's on my head. So this, my darlings, is the box that it came in, and it has a beautiful, gorgeous, as it says here, the features. 13 by 6, ear to ear with a 6 deep hand tied, pre-plucked natural density, undetectable, flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hairs along the hairline, protective style, no need to leave any hair out, not necessary. And it is a synthetic wig, and it cost me what, about £15, and I am living and loving it. Why? Because me in particular, I don't glue down my wigs. I like to bring out a little bit of my own hairline, but I have a little trick of what I do, just so that it can really look copacetic. It can look absolutely copacetic. I use the L'Oreal Magic Retouch. So instead, where I see so many girls with foundation powders trying to make the hair brown to match your scalp, I go the opposite direction. I just blacken out the net and then I just cut it out. Well, you know what? What am I talking about? We are going to have what? We're going to have a tutorial. Okay? So sit back, my darlings, and see how I do it. Okay? I like the fact that I'm talking to you with the hair on. So you'll be like, oh my God, Fumi, I love it, I love it, I love it. And then it opens up your mind, I think, to how I did it, because it's not the traditional way. I am not the traditional person. I really am not. I go my own path and it works for me. So sit back and see how I created this look for me. I like to have my hair back. I like it off my face. I just live for this. Can you imagine me walking in the airport there with my sunglasses on? Let me put on a pair of sunglasses. Let's see how this looks with sunglasses. Yes. Sis. Sis. Oh my God. They will be asking me, are you a celebrity? Do you sing? No. Are you a celebrity? No. I'm Adrian's mom. Ulla's wife. That's it. I live. Ooh, wow. I do live for this. This is a look. This is a look. All right, my darlings. Let us get into what? Let's get into the tutorial. Yes, ma'am. Live for this. I do live for this. All right, my darling. So I've got my hair all pulled together, and what I do, I wear a wig cap. So I got like 6 wig caps and they're all brown. I didn't get black because I just felt that it was kind of closest to my scalp. Yeah. So I put that on like so. Da da da. And I make sure I get it all the way around. Then I pull it back a little bit. Fumi, why do you do that? Because I don't glue down wigs. It's just not my thing. I prefer to have more of a natural hairline. So when I pull it back, I just use a comb and I just pull out the edges. Then I take the fabulous Letitia wig. And as you can see, it has a clear hairline and it has a beautiful natural hairline. I am so shocked because I really am not a professional on plucking it into a natural hairline. I am not. This is the box that it came in, and then as you can see, it has all the details in the back. My shade is black, but they've got different hues, which is really fabulous. Okay, so I don't glue my wigs. Just look at the wig on the inside. So it has the netting, and then in the crown, it has the beautiful clear net. So what do? I take the L'Oreal Magic Retouch in black. Yep, do. As a matter of fact, you know what, Fums? Use the doll. So this is my this is my head. I'm gonna put it on so that I don't get it over my hands. I think it's also a good thing because you guys can also see the net, okay? Voila. So that's the net. Do you know what Mama does? I go with the spray and I spray it black. There you go. Voila. Then I now cut off the excess lace front that I don't need. I just take my scissors and I just go over. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna put it on. Make sure it's nice and tight. Voila. Just adjust it to where my hairline is. I had cut it earlier because I didn't think I was going to do a review. Then I said, no, for me, don't stop right there. So I've chopped it, but it still needs to be adjusted. So I just want to make sure that it's in its right place. Perfect. 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 Just look. Now I'm going to brush it out. Let me see what kind of personality it's got. So I'm just going to really brush it out. You know, I just cut it and it kind of already feels perfect. This is why I wanted to brush it out first, just to see. There we go. It seems okay with me. Let me see in the back, right here, because I like it long. That's a little bit too long right there. Let me chop that off too. Yes. Da, 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 da. There we go. This is a little longer. That's it. Voila. Do we live, do we love, my darlings? I absolutely love, 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 love the Letitia wig. It is everything, absolutely everything. And when I want to go out and just have a quick shebang, yes. What do you think, my darlings? Do we live, do we love? All right, sweethearts, do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and you guys let me know down in the comment section what you think. I love these wigs, and this is what I'm going to be doing now that I'm going to go all the way natural and cut off all the processed hair. I will be enjoying myself. I will be enjoying my natural hair, and I'll be having fun with these wigs. I absolutely live and love. All right, darlings, I will see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. Mwah. All of my love.